Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we're going to take a look at washing machine drain pumps. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will need a multimeter for component testing. In front of me, I have 5 different drain pumps. Each one of these drain pumps go to a washing machine. Now, diagnosing drain pumps sometimes can be a pain. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to make it easier. The first pump that I have in front of me is going to be a powerless drain pump. This pump is ran with a belt, and the main reasons why I'd be replacing one of these pumps would be if it's leaking. Now that's easy to see. Obviously you could take the front off and see a leak right on the plastic here, or the belt could be broken. That could cause this drain pump not to spin. But the most important thing would be a clog. Sometimes a sock or something can pull down inside and get lodged in here where the impeller's at, and you may have to use a pair of pliers to pull it out. Now, clogs are one of the main problems with drain pumps. Some of these pumps will make it easier to clear a clog, such as these ones here. These have a coin catch filter. So if your pump is not draining water, the first thing you want to do before you replace it is check for a clog. These ones, you can take the front off, unscrew this filter, take it out, pour out any type of gunk, and go on with your day. Now, if the drain pump is clear of clogs and the drain line is clear of clogs, the next thing I would check if your unit is not draining is the impeller itself. Let's use this one for an example. This goes to an LG washing machine. Now, the impellers inside of these almost have a little bit of a spring to it. You can see it bounce back and forth there. That is very, very important. If you reach in and your impeller does not have that springiness or it is disattached, again, it will need to be replaced. So let's say you do not have a clog and the impeller feels okay. The next thing I would do is test for continuity. Now, each one of these pumps will test out different as long as it is an electric pump. I'm going to use this one right here, and what you'll want to do is test for ohms. This pump should be anywhere from 30 to 50 ohms. And it looks like the ohm rating on this is going to be fine. What you do not want to see is an open circuit. If it has an open circuit, it will need to be replaced. Now, you can test for voltage next. Make sure you look on the side of the pump to see what it's rated at. If it's rated for 120 volts, put the washing machine into a drain cycle, put your meter on the actual terminals, and see if you have 120 volts. If the 120 volts is not present, the problem will not be your pump. It's more than likely going to be either the harness or whatever supplies the power. But if the 120 volts is there and your pump is still not running, the chances are the pump will need to be replaced. Now, usually replacing a pump is not that big of a deal. But if you are intimidated by it, make sure you call a professional to have it done, and this will complete drain pumps. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.